Sagutin natin ang mga ito. Number 1, 20 is 1/5 of what number? I-represent or isulat natin ito as an equation. Okay, so 20 means equal. Okay, 1/5 of means multiplication. So, ilagay natin ang multiplication sign. What number, i-represent natin ito as n. So, ito ang kailangan nating malaman or hanapin. So, we have 20 is equal to 1/5 times n. So, para malaman natin ang value ng n, i-transpose natin ang fraction na 1/5 sa kabilang side. Sa side na ito, ang operation ay multiplication. So, kapag transpose sa kabilang side, ito ay magiging division. So, 20 divided by 1/5 is equal to n. So, we have a whole number divided by a fraction. So, dito, pwede nating i-apply ang cross multiplication or multiplying by the reciprocal. Okay, so 20 times ang 5, 100. At ang denominator ay 1. So, 100 over 1 or n is equal to 100. 20 is 1/5 of 100. Okay, number 2, 62.5 is 5/8 of what number? Okay, so 62.5 is equal to 5 over 8, okay, times this missing number. So, i-transpose natin ang 5 over 8 sa side na ito. So, 62.5, okay, divided by 5 over 8 is equal to n. Okay, so let's apply cross multiplication. 62.5 times 8, okay, this is equal to 500. At ang denominator ay 5. So, we have 500 over 5. So, ang n natin dito ay 100. So, 62.5 is 5/8 of 100. Try nyo rin po ito. 30 is 1/3 of what number?